Cover. Hello, if you're a guitar player or a beginner guitar player, then this tutorial's for you. I'm going to show you a Christmas song on guitar, easy chords, and that's coming up. Hello and welcome to Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. And today I've got a tutorial on Do You Hear What I Hear? A Christmas song based loosely off of the Vince Gill version of the song. I'm going to show you the chords, the chord progression, and stick around and I'll show you the solo in the song. So let's dig in. First off, place your capo on the first fret. If you don't have a capo to put on the first fret, check the first link in the description and get yourself a capo. This acts as a nut, and this will be the first fret. The chords in the song, we got the chord shapes: E, C sharp minor, C, and A. The verse starts with the E major chord shape. And it's a slow tempo, but you could strum down or you can arpeggiate the chord. I'm going to show you how. So what we're going to do here is you're playing 6, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. So you do that 4 times and then goes into Do You Hear What I Hear? And it's 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. So what I would recommend doing is getting the hang of each part and then go to the next part. So it's 6, 4, 3. It goes to the C sharp minor, C, A, C, with the goes to the second verse. And it just repeats. Then we've got the solo. But before I show you the solo, if you're getting any value out of this video, can you click the like button? Consider subscribing for more guitar tips. And if you subscribe, click that bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Now after the second verse, there is a solo, and it goes like this. I'll show you it first and then we'll cover it. And by the way, if you want to get the tab for all of this, check the link in the description. When you become a patron, I've got all kinds of tab for you, so check it out. We're on the G string at the 2nd fret. So we're going 2, 4, which is a hammer on, and then ending on the 2nd fret of the B string. So 2, hammer on 4, and then we're gonna hammer on and pull off on 3 on the B string. That's going to take time to get used to doing that, so sitting. Back to 4 on the G string. 2 on the B. Excuse me, it's 3 on the B, 2 on the B. Then it repeats 2, 4, B, 2 on B. Pick it twice. So after you pick it twice on the B string, 2nd fret, 3, 2, back to G, 4, 2, 4, 2 on the B. So this is what we got. Now we're on the B, it's 2, 5, slide to 7, five, 7, slide to 9, 10, 9, 7, 5, 3, 2, 5, 7, 5, 7, 9, 10, 9, 7, 5, 7, 5, 3, 2. And that is hard to do in slow motion. So let's start from the beginning. So it's 2, 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2 on B. Two, 4, 2 on G, 3, 2 on B, 4, and back to 2 on G. Like I said, consider becoming a patron, and you can get the tab for this. It makes it a lot easier. Let me give you the question of the day. What is your favorite Christmas song? leave me a comment. I'd love to hear. So now, after the solo, it goes to verse 3, which is the same as the first two verses. Then after you've finished that, move the capo up to the 3rd fret and repeat the same chords. Now you can strum it. If you want to learn more Christmas songs, go ahead and watch this next video next. Thanks.